guys, welcome back to LOPO's channel. I'm Zoe and today we are going to be making PU purse. The purse is made of high quality PU leather and metal smooth sleeve zipper. This purse has a large capacity 3-layer folding to store cash, coins and business card. Also it comes with a sturdy, dedicated gifted box. Pink, blue and black. I think you will find the color you like. So welcome to contact us if you are interested. Now let me show you the supplies for sublimation with you. A heat press machine, and today we are going to use our Galaxy A04 to do the demo. And sublimation blanks, sublimation template, heat resistant glue, heat resistant tape, and Teflon sheet. Before printing, here are some tips for you. Firstly, we only put the sublimation part on the lower platen and hold the other part with your hand. Secondly, sometimes the sewing thread is hard to be colored, so we adjust you longer the printing time about 10 seconds, like 60 seconds. Lastly, put the Teflon sheet on both sides before printing, making sure that there's no excess ink or anything from the previous application that's going to transfer over to the products and keep the machine clean. Okay, let's tape this template. The printing temperature and time I set is 180 degrees Celsius for 60 seconds with medium pressure. Okay, now let's put the Teflon sheet and the PU purse. Now let's start pressing. Okay, time's up. Okay, look at that. I like it. The sublimation purse is a versatile accessory that anyone can use and appreciate, making it a great choice for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. And you will find the link in the description below. We also provide you other PU scissors products like keychain, photo panel, mouse pad, and so on. If you have any tips or suggestions about developing new products for sublimation, please do not hesitate to leave your message below. We are always willing to listen. I hope you know better about how to print the PU purse. Thank you for watching and see you next time.